Welcome everyone to Upnomix Get Started video. Today I'm going to show you how to get started, and also I'm going to go through the back office so you'll see a walkthrough of that. So first of all, of course, once you get your referral link of your sponsor, you will click join now, and of course your sponsor referral link will have their username at the end. Of course, this is me, so you will hit next. As you can see in the video, you hit next. Wait for that load. Then of course what you need to do, if you're individual, you fill out the information. If you corporate or business, you can put in your information. Of course, you put your first and last name, you put your gender, put your mobile number, put your date of birth here. Also date of anniversary, you could also put the date of birth there as well. That's what I was told. Also put in your email, confirm your email, put in your physical address. Also right here where it says nominee, of course you will put the person, if something will happen to you, you can put in the person name and the relation to you, and eventually you'll go for there. Then once you do that, you'll click next, and also once you click next, it's gonna ask for a placement and all that type of stuff. I was told to choose direct, and also you could choose that once you go through that stage. And then the final step, what you would do is you choose the payment method of your choice. I prefer Tron. I use my Tron to actually get in this actual program, and of course there will be additional fees as you try to send through any cryptocurrency. So just showing you a little quick overview of that. So once you go through all them steps, you should be good, and you should be able to confirm your email and log into your back office. And once you do that, you should be good. The next thing I want to talk about is, let's go into the back office and do an overview of that real quick. I'm going to click log in. Okay, you put in your username, and you'll put in your password that you chose to log in with. You click sign in. Okay, let me make sure I put in my information correctly. Alright, yeah, I should be logging in now. Okay, I'm in my back office. Now what you're going to do is, of course, this is your dashboard. Get familiar with these tabs here at the top. Genealogy. Of course, it'll have your summary, your level structure, the binary review, and all that type of stuff. Once you start building your commissions, you will be able to see your earnings and all that, and incentives as well. Your wallet. This is where you will go once you start earning. You can request payouts, and I found out that they pay out in USDT. So make sure you get your USDT wallet address so you can receive your payouts and stuff like. And also they have vouchers. If you want to get people in, you can buy vouchers and stuff like that. So the main thing let's concentrate on is this is your profile section. I'm not going to click that because that's my personal information. But you just click on beside your name at the top right, and then you'll get your profile information. And at the bottom left, you should see your referral link. So that's where you will be able to copy your referral link. What I did, I clicked on it, then I copied it from the main web box at the top, and that's how I was able to get my referral link. So that's how you would do it. And also, let's see, is there anything else? You can also, see everything else basically. The main thing is get familiar with these tabs up here. And that means it sums up this video. Also, you could join, look like they have a Telegram as well, which is on the main dashboard. Scroll down, you can join the Telegram and get connected with other members. I just wanted to make a quick get started video tutorial to show people the back office and how to get started. Thank you for your time.